Hello everyone, welcome to Computing Concepts of Computer Science. I hope you all are doing well. As in previous video, we have discussed about basic SQL queries like creating a table and inserting values. Apart from these, in today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about updating particular record, alter the table, and delete a particular record from the table, or we can permanently delete a table. So we are going to discuss all these things. If you want to know how to create a table and inserting a value, so you can check out my previous video, as I have mentioned the link in the description box. So we are starting with uh, our database. Use school, as we have already created this database in our previous class. Use school, and we have already created a table. Select star from student. So we are having this table with the name of student. In this particular table we are having roll number, name and address. So if we want to update this particular name with another name, like we have written this name Anjali, or we want to update this particular name with Anu. So what we can do, we can use update query, right? So we need to use update, name of the table student. We have to use set for setting that particular record. So set name is equals to, inside single quote we have to mention the name which we are going to set here. So Anu we are going to set here, and from which position we are going to set this particular name. So where name is equals to Anjali, semicolon, enter. Now query OK, one row affected. Like our name is changed by Anu. Our name Anjali is changed by Anu. So if we want to check out this particular record, then we are writing select star from table name. The name of the table is student. So now the record has been updated by Anu, right? So we can update any record by using this particular update student query, right? Apart from this, if we want to add a particular column in this particular table, like I want to add a contact number column in this particular student table. So what we need to do is, we have to do the alter query. So alter table, the name of the table student. What we need to alter? We need to add a column with the name contact, and we have to mention the uh, data type of this particular contact. So apart from this, before writing this particular column, we have to mention add. Add is a keyword which is going to add this particular column in this particular table. Semicolon. After enter this particular record, what we are getting? Alter table student, add column, the name of the column, and we have written here the data type. So query OK, one row affected. Now we are having another column in this particular field, or we can check this particular record again with the help of select star from student. Now we are having this particular record with null field, this particular column with null field. If you want to update this particular null field with any number, like I want to update this null field with 1 2 3 4. So what we need to do is, we need to do again update command, right? We have to use update student, the name of the update student, the name of this particular table, we have to set contact is equals to 1 2 3 4, cause contact is a integer field, that's why we cannot use inside the single quote. Set contact 1 2 3 where name is equals to Anu. Now the contact is updated. If we want to check, again we are writing select star from table name. Now the contact is updated, right? Next thing is we can delete a record from the particular table. If we want to delete a particular record or if we want to delete complete table, so we can do it by using delete command. So we are using delete from student, the name of the table, where name is equals to Anu. Now the record of Anu name is completely deleted, right? So if we want to find out, select star from students, we will be getting deleted record, right? So the record with having name Anu has been deleted, right? If you want to delete complete table, so you can write delete from student. The table is completely deleted. Now the table is containing schema, but it doesn't contain any value. Select star from student. Empty set, like the table is containing schema. If we want to insert any record again, we can insert a record with the help insert into student values. Values will be 1, Anjali, the name, address, Rohini, and 1 2 3 4. Now we can check out the record, right? So if we are using delete from student, the record is deleting but schema remains same. But if we want to delete a schema also, right? If we want to delete this table permanently, so we need to use drop table student. Now this will be going to drop the particular table. Now if I want to check out, select star from table name, we cannot get this particular table, like the table is removed from the database. Table school.student doesn't exist. The table is not exist right now, right? So in this tutorial we have learned about how we can update a record, how we can alter a table with having any column, how we can permanently delete a record, or if we want to delete a particular record we can do that also, right? So for further tutorials, stay tuned. Bye bye, stay safe.